I made this back piece up just to fill a bit at the back. I should have folded a bit before I cut it. There's a sharp edge in it. I don't want to put I forget the name of that stuff that slips around the edge because the water will be going that way into it. So I'm just thinking if I run the TIG really light across the top, will it bubble the edge, round the edge a bit for me? But I don't fucking know. Let's soon find out. I don't think this will work too good because I'm going to end up grinding it all off the bit I do. I'll end up with a sharp edge again. I'm dying to touch it. Oh, fucker. Just to see what it looks like. It's staying very straight. At the beginning there where I started, I fucked up a bit. I'm going to do this line and we'll see how it goes. This is just round and smooth. I'm shocked how well it came out. It's kind of like, you know, that rolled cold, you know, that's even a sharper edge and that stuff. Lovely smooth edge in it. Shocked how well that came out. I'm going to try and TIG weld this bit up here. This video could cut straight to me MIG welding it. That means I got pissed off. Alright, when I'm recording this, I don't have a clue what you can see when I start welding, if it just blinds the camera or not. So, if you can't see a thing, I'm sorry, but I don't have a fucking clue. But this pedal that comes with this SIP welder, you can't set your max current on it. It just automatically goes to max when you have 100% on this. So 50% is 50% to what the welder can actually produce. So I'm starting welding here. This 3mm. I have to really push on the pedal to get the fucker melt. The first time using the pedal, it's lovely to be able to hold the torch here at the top, just for doing quick tacks and stuff. See how this goes. Really nice having a pedal though. So normally I'd set my amperage to weld that, and then I just bring it down and let it go straight away. Yeah, it's a thick welding might catch on with me yet. Even though it could be MIG welding here in a sec. Anyone TIG welding for the first time, grind down a load of tips. I just dipped that. Still looks a bit sharp probably to someone, but if you learn how to TIG weld, as soon as you dip it, just to end the time and re-grind it and get used to working with a proper tip, it makes all the difference. 2 ground down now. See how long they last. Probably 2 minutes. I won't record all the times I have to fucking grind it because it could be a lot. Having problems there. I think I'm putting too much heat in the bottom piece. Just been a small bit too long getting it right. I'm not putting enough heat in the top piece at the beginning. Oh, you fucker. It's working way better. Just dump a load of heat in at the very beginning. Get it rolling. I stopped using filler rod. I just welded I don't know what you call it, a root pass, whatever the fuck you call it. I was letting it fill in the crack. See how it goes. Every time I look up, my helmet keeps slipping down further, so the further I look up, the further it slips down. Want to start recording? Fucking hole. Not recording anymore, it's bad luck. Surprising how actually strong it is. I thought it'd flex a bit, but it's not. There's nothing going to be bolted to it, everything's going to be bolted up to this. So it's only for looks really. It's a small, I didn't use filler rod in it, so kind of just filled in the gap. But it came through the back. I'm actually very happy with that. They don't do TIG welding at all anymore now. All I can say is anyone who enjoys welding arc or MIG and wants to do it like as a hobby, fucking TIG welding is unreal. Or for doing up classic cars, that pedal, that's a shit pedal because when you press, you have to press really hard on it. When you press stop, the whole pedal moves forward, and you're putting the foot down and you get no extra current. That's the only one kind of goes with that. I'd actually have a good look and get a good pedal. The only thing about this one, it's very good for standing up, pressing it, compared to the lighter ones. It's easier, you can actually kind of stand on that one. I don't really fucking know. Next day here now again. Just going to weld this piece in. I'm going to TIG weld it again, I think. Keep practicing it. Them two done there. So that indicator will bolt in there. It's nice and protected from if I drop the ramp down. I don't think it sticks out. I'm going to check that. Slide is away in there. Well protected. So my plan is I was going to put a flasher here somewhere, but when the ramp is out you probably won't see it. So there's one going here, but like one on the back, I don't know. I need a reverse light and a fog light just for the test. I'm going to put them in here as well. We get them tomorrow when I'm on the road. And I might put the flashers in here in the middle. You know, it should really be on the outside here, so I don't really know. I'll get this bit done up. There's going to be 2x4s in there. Number plate goes there. 2 side lights. And then I'm going to have a work light here. It's going to shine that way across. I'm going to have a work light in that one. It's going to shine back across this way. So hopefully it'll shine out when the ramp is down. This light hopefully will shine, kind of lighten up. I've already just marked the 2 holes with a Sharpie. I wasn't bothered drilling these. I'm going to drill these quick because go home and go drinking. Just drilling the hole now for the wires to go through. And then I'm done. Time for drinking. be your